What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys see the title of the video. Man, the bike is finally here. Well, about to be here. We got this bike maybe about a little under a month ago. It's been sitting at Copart since then, gathering up storage fees and all type of stuff, man. So we finally got a shipper to ship that thing out, and it's finally about to be here today, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like the video. Did you guys check out that video yesterday of the 2018 Road King? We got the new paint set for it, put it on everything, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got 2 camo hats, man. Either one will be your entry into the giveaway, man. So without further ado, let's see where the shipper is and check this bike out, man. There it is, guys. You guys know what time it is. You guys know what freaking time it is, dog. Yes, sir. Y'all see it here first. Big freaking trailer. Got the Dodge. It seemed like the Dodges is the one you need for transport, man. That's all the transporters been using. This is a new transporter, so yo, what's up, man? How you doing? Man, nice meeting you. Man, you my first black transporter, man. Out of all the bikes I done had, man, you my first black transporter.
I got 4 trucks.
You got 4 trucks? Oh, dang. That's dope, man. How was the ride? I mean, well, the drive, rather.
I do shit every week, man.
Wasn't that bad, huh? Oh, you got your son, huh?
That's my nephew. My
Nephew.
son's in the truck, too.
Oh, okay, what's up, man? How you doing? Cool. So this is it. 2013 Harley Davidson CVO. Y'all see it here first. Oh, they still on the little thing that you said, huh?
Yeah.
It'll be able to roll off, though, you know?
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Oh, okay, bet. That's cool, man. That's dope. Let's get this view. Man, you know what you doing, man? You say, yes, sir. Hey, man, you know y'all from the South, man, or something like that. You know they don't got that on the West Coast here. That thing look good, though, back there, dog. Can't wait. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get this thing offloaded and good to go. Yeah, I ain't never had them give me a bike with this little silver stuff on it before.
Yeah, when I got over, they had like 3 or 4 of them like this.
Yeah. So I guess it was easier to transport it like this then, no? Or it would just made it a little bit.
I mean, when the guy brought it out, it started raining and whatever, and with everything else, I was like, you know what? Just go ahead and put it in there, slide it forward, and I strapped it down, put the other bike behind it.
Oh, okay.
It was good. I would have taken it off, rolled it in there.
Right. Okay, bet.
I'm probably gonna need your help with this.
Yeah, I got you. Whatever you need.
Yeah, you just get this from the front, just kind of move it, should just roll back.
Yes, sir. Y'all see my guy, man. He traveling with the baby and everything, man. You cross country like that, man? You better than me, man. I barely like driving up the street. My daughter got the baby in there, man. That's crazy, man. Y'all see my guy, feel me, going up. Got my bike out here all the way from Little Rock, Arkansas, man. I appreciate you so much, man. You already know. Good looking out. Y'all be safe on that road now. All right. Yes, sir. I can't wait. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We got it here live in the flesh, man. I'm gonna get this thing set up on this jack stand, because y'all know this back tire is flat, and we'll go over real quick then. Guys, here it is. I mean, you can't really see it that well here yet, but the back wheel is so freaking flat. And then this bike does have like the center mount kickstand or whatever, so getting this under here is like type impossible with that freaking tire low in the back. But I'm gonna probably go go buy me like a little air machine or something, because that's gonna be nearly pretty much the only way, unless we like start it up, ride it up on the truck and all that, which will be cool, but I'd rather do it this way so I can even have one of those at home. And then we'll come back and get a freaking better look into it. But 2013 CVO, can't wait. I can't really move it right now because the jack isn't even properly positioned, but we got to get some air in there. All right, so we was able to move it over a little bit. We can see it a little bit better here. Looks pretty good. No damage up here. I don't see anything. We got the chrome on chrome forks. I don't see anything damaged up here, like no fenders or anything. Lights and everything up here look intact. The fan has a little bit of rash right there for a CVO. Oh, a little bit of rash right there. No big deal though for the CVO. This is definitely the side they fell on. But other than that, I mean, this little crash, this little saddlebag guard right here is a little scratched up. You have a bunch of dirt over here, so they probably fell into mud or some sort. Because like even when we look up here, it's mud and dirt and everything up here, dog. So definitely want to get this thing cleaned up. Now we do have no power on this, so we'll be needing to get a battery, of course. Dirt all in the seat here and stuff like that. Bags are in good shape. No damage to the bags, no damage to the tour pack. And this bike is a clean title, man. So that should be dope. Meanwhile, man, we gotta go get like an air machine. So we'll be able to pump this tire up and do what we need to do, and then we'll get a battery. So hopefully AutoZone got both of them for us, man. Let's head to AutoZone real quick. So after like 4 different AutoZones, we finally found something at O'Reilly's that'll work. And then we did go to Home Depot to get that new jump pack with the air compressor and everything, because the air compressor on mine is broken. So we should be able to be good now. We should be able to get that thing started and get that back tire pumped. So that'll be dope. Alrighty, man, so we made it back to the house. We got our battery there, and then we got our new jumper box there, man. So let's crack this thing open and try to pump this back tire up. So let's see if we can get this air on now that we got this thing buttoned up. I don't even know how this is supposed to work. Alrighty, we got it going, so we're gonna pump that thing up and get back to it. I've been trying to get this thing leveled out on the stand for the longest. The back wheel is not pumping up. I don't know if I'm not working the thing right or what, but definitely not pumping up, man. So like I said, guys, we do have that middle stand here, so I am able to freaking sit it on, you know, leveled out at least, and we can check it out. I guess since we can't get the tires situated first, man, I guess we'll try to get some power to this thing and at least get that battery swapped out, because I think after I do that, I'm gonna just at least freaking load it up and go get some air that way. That's gonna be the easiest way, other than going to buy a whole nother machine or something like that. But I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty, guys, so we got the battery pack on there. Let's see if we can get some power now. We see the keys there. Oh, there it is. There it is. This bike's got some different stuff. You got like Bluetooth gauges and stuff over here. Alrighty, so we got power to this thing. Let's see these lights. Let's see these lights on this tour pack. Got that jelly look on the back. I like that. That jelly look on the back looks so freaking good. Got the nice little Karakin tail lights back there. I'm digging that. That looks pretty sick. Oh, wow. It's got the glow underneath. I got the glow. Got the glow, man. So that thing is going to shine up real good. Oh, look at the lights. Thing looks dope. Let's see if we can get those spotlights on. Let's see. Okay. Now we rocking. Now we rocking. That's pretty dope. All right, so we got like some type of Bluetooth there. We got, looks like GPS here. But that's pretty dope. 68,000 miles, clean title. Runs and drives, apparently. Let's See if we can get a little something. I'm gonna just swap the battery out. All right, we got the new battery in there, and I'm noticing this bike definitely has like a tuner of some sort on it. So that should be fun. Like I said, it's got the lights and stuff all over it. Where the button is for it, may be on here. I don't know, we gotta figure this, oh, that's how you switch the color. Let me see, I'm trying to figure out how to turn it off. We got the works going on. Just trying to figure out how to shut it off. There we go, it's off now. So that's dope. Now we know how to work that. But I'm excited, man. I know this thing will freaking fire up now. I know it'll fire up now. Let's see. Definitely sound pretty good. Definitely sound pretty good. Yeah, I can't wait to ride this one. Oh my God. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. All right, so we got the battery in. We heard it start. That music on this thing sounds amazing. Amazing, amazing. It's that tour pack that does it for us. However, I think I'm gonna have to take the tour pack off for what I'm trying to do. That's a lot of stuff back there, man. A lot of stuff and the wires and all that. Might just keep it on there, but it is a lot of weight back there with that low tire. So I don't know if we'll be able to load it or not, but we'll definitely try, I suppose, at least, right? And then when I was taking off the seat, I noticed it was a Mustang seat, so the nose, so you know, it's heated and all that, man. So this is a nice seat to have. It definitely will be keeping this thing on there. Definitely looks good though, man. What y'all think so far? So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. I appreciate you guys. Man, what do you guys think about the 2013 CVO, man? I don't know what I want to do with it just yet, but the 2018 is up for grabs, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We got 2 different color camo hats. You can buy either one. Either one will be your entry into the giveaway, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and enter for that. As for this 2013 CVO, man, that thing looks good. I can't wait to get that first ride in, man. So stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I think the 2020 is just about ready, man. So you know, with that being said, I'm gonna have to end this video and head up there, dog.